toothpaste back in the tube. A lot of writers use pseudonyms. Q is my first initial, so... Hey, is my name down there?
But it was an accident? He didn't start it on purpose?
That's what he said.
Yeah, sounds like Smitty.
I was trying to start the fan fiction club for This Is Us, and things just got out of hand.
What the hell does This Is Us fanfic have to do with a cult?
I mistakenly mixed cough syrup with diet pills when I was writing the satanic alien storyline for Jack and Rebecca. I woke up the next morning and read it. None of it made sense. But overnight, I'd gotten so many followers, I just went with it. You can't put the toothpaste back in the tube.